on to the next part, which is passive voice. Well, it's good to know when we should use the structure. Well, we use the passive voice when the person or thing that does the action is unknown, unimportant, obvious from the context, or we don't want to say who does the action. We focus on the action itself. This is the form of passive voice, be plus past participle. And the picture shows you how we change from active sentence to passive voice. In the active form, we have I as a subject, write is a verb, and a letter is an object. Then changing it to the passive voice, we move the object of the active form to the subject position. Then we change the verb write, following the structure be plus past participle. Okay, we have is written. Then the subject I in the active will be the object in passive sentence, like this. Now let's see some examples of passive voice in different tenses. And the two first tenses are present simple and present continuous. Okay, the next ones are past simple and past continuous. You can see the difference between them. As for past simple, we use was cleaned, okay, but with past continuous, we need to add being to indicate the process of the action. So we have were being moved. And the next tense is present simple. And finally, passive with modal verbs. Well, when doing exercise about passive voice, we need you to remember some notes. First, the position of adverb of place and adverb of time when we change to passive. We will place them in the order adverb of place plus by plus object plus adverb of time. And here the example. We can see that Jack's house is a place, police is the object, and yesterday is an adverb of time. So we just need to follow the order of the structure. And here we have the sentence. The missing painting was found in Jack's house by the police yesterday. Secondly, if the subject of the active voice is one of the following words, like people, one, someone, somebody, they, so it's not changed into the object in the passive voice. Here's the example. We hold the World Cup every 4 years. Okay, so we change this sentence into passive voice. We don't need to say by them. So our sentence is the World Cup is held every 4 years. Well, it's time to put what you have learned into practice. In this exercise, you will put will or be going to in the blanks. Okay, so there are 8 questions. You can pause the video to do this task. Okay, well, how's it going? I know it's a bit confusing to find the difference between them, right? So let's take a look at the answer key to see how many correct answers you have in this sentence. Okay, another challenge for you is putting the verb into the most suitable passive form in the blanks. And there are 6 questions. You can pause the video to do this task. Okay, challenge accepted. Now let's see how well you have risen to the challenge. Well, here's the answer key for you. Just let's check how many correct answers you have in this exercise. So that's all for the grammar theory in Unit 2, Humans and the Environment. I hope that you can understand the lesson and find the difference between them, okay? So don't forget to do exercise on LMS. Okay, goodbye and see you later.